Risa, and I'm at the low-carb grocery store. I'm very excited because you know that it's one of my favorite stores. So I'm going to go through some of the products that I buy and some of the things that I haven't bought yet because I like to try new things. Let's start at the beginning. Our Smart Sweets. You know these are super delicious and low sugar treat. 3 Smart Points, 3 grams of sugar. There's the different gum that you can get. It's called Pure Gum. It's not bad. You can try it. There's different mints as well. I haven't bought these yet, but I have bought these Flex chips. They're barbecue, or you can get the buffalo. Pretty good price for a large bag. The small bags are more expensive, so it's better to invest in bigger bags. And they have other types of chips as well. Of course, the protein, the Quest, whatever you like. Everybody prefers different things, different drinks that you can get here as well. All right, let's move on to the chocolates, of course. The Russell Stovers are delicious, and you can get the candies, which I really love. You know, if you have a sweet tooth, everything in moderation. The Red Vines, they're really, really good. 5 for 3 Smart Points. I love the black is my favorite. And I love these as well, the black licorice. But again, it's a personal preference of what you like, okay? There's Lifesavers, there's the sugar-free Werthers, all different types of chocolates, Lily's, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and then there's chocolate bars as well. One of my other favorites is the meringue cookies. The meringues are super, super delicious. 10 for 1 Smart Point. And they even have halaba here, which is really delicious. You can buy a big one or little ones, individual ones, and jelly beans, of course. Moving on. They have different oils here. People that are on keto, they have a lot because it's all low carb. Now, more chocolate. These are pretty new. I haven't bought these yet, but I have bought these little chocolate bars, and I believe they're only 2 Smart Points. They're only 50 calories. Yeah, 50 calories and low fat, low sugar. You know I talk about the Betty bread. Here it is. The Betty Light. 1 Smart Point per slice. And they have pizza crusts, tortillas, but we'll get into more. Everything's kind of spread out here. They have organic rice, juices, and the Mr. Freezies, which are really good. I have those in my freezer. 1 Smart Point each for those on WW. Okay, let's get moving to one of my other favorites is the Da Vinci flavored syrups. Okay, and you can use them in your baking. All right, you can use them for your smoothies, in your coffee. Okay, they just give a little bit more zip and flavor. And of course, your sugar substitutes, stevia, monk sugar, different options. And again, I'm just saying this, you know, you can use it for your baking as well, of course. And they have the syrups here as well. All right, chocolate syrup, maple vanilla syrup. They have the Hershey's. Smucker's is one of my favorites. I like both kinds. And I've just noticed that they have the foam toppings, which are really great for your coffees. Ooh, I love this. The skinny syrups. wow, I'm going to have to buy that. Birthday cake flavor and French vanilla, salted caramel. Yum. And different options to put in your water, right? So people ask, what can I add to my water? There's different fruit pouches that you can add. This is really good. I've used this also in my baking, the True Lemon. So other options as well. If you want a natural thickener, the xanthan gum is very good. And here they have, if you don't like to bake like me, they have different mixes, okay? Muffins, biscuits, breads, brownies, cookies, all different types of options here, okay? Oh, and they even have almond flour. That's new. Oh, I haven't seen this product yet. See, every time I come, I try to see different products and then show you guys, okay? So different, the Carb Quick. And remember, people that don't live in Canada, a lot of this you can find also online. And, oh, they have different vitamins and things as well. I need that, vitamin D. Good to go. I've never tried these. These are new bars. I haven't seen these. Low net carbs, high fiber, low sugar. And again, more items for baking. Of course, you know, I make a lot of my own things. The Kodiak cakes are here as well. I know you can get them at Costco, but you can get smaller ones here. And waffle mixes. The other thing, of course, are the pastas. You know, my favorite, of course, is the Fiber Gourmet, which I love. But I've tried the carbonara ones as well, which are really good. I haven't tried the Zerudel. That's a funny name. But there's the chickpea, different kinds as well. I just noticed that they had these different teas and the benefits of these different teas as well. You know, I like shirataki noodles, so they have different ones here. My favorite, of course, are the konjac noodles because there's no soy in them. And for anybody older, you know, we have to watch our soy intake, okay? They have marinaras here. A lot of different options, my friends. And of course, I love the sugar-free syrup. Joseph's is definitely one of my favorites. And I bought this honey substitute, which is really great for my baking. And there's the other products here as well that you can choose from. All right, cereals. You know, I love the K's, but they have other cereals as well. Granola, but you could make my granola. I love my granola. Of course, you know I'm going to promote my own stuff. But the Snap cereal is very good. I've tried that. They have hot instant cereals as well. And of course, all the different bars that you can get. All right. Whatever you like. And lots of the proteins. I love, my favorite, of course, is Quest. I use that in a lot of my recipes. So again, it's a personal choice. PB2 powder. Love PB2 powder. You can use that in your yogurt, in your for your cereal, just like that. Muffins, cakes, smoothies. There's jams as well, sugar-free jam options. Lemon curd is delicious. I love that. All right, different kind of spreads. And I haven't tried these spreads, the hummus dip, because of course, you know, I make my own. There's pickles, but I do love the Guy's barbecue sauces. They are my favorite. And the no sugar added ketchup. Of course, your apple cider vinegar is great. Love the teriyaki sugar-free. syrup for my stir fries and on fish, chicken, delicious. They have different types of oils here as well. So again, lots of different options. And more flavorings that you can use here. Hopefully you can hear this. There's music going on. In the fridge, they have the parquet syrup, not syrup, sorry, spray, and the shirataki noodles. Okay, let me see if I can open this. The smart cakes are here as well. And they have bagels and cheesecake. But of course, you know, I love, and I'm gonna open up the other one, are these donuts. These donuts are 3 smart points on WW. They are really super delicious. And again, more wraps. I always talk about, hold on, the Mama Lupe tortillas. The Mama Lupe are really, really delicious. 1 smart point, and it's a really good size. And they are only 60 calories, okay? So, and 0 saturated fat. And they have other kind of breads as well. My smart buns, not my smart buns, but I love the smart buns because they're only 1 point in WW. All right, let's see if I can open it. Hold on. There, okay, I need my strength. The Joseph's pitas are very good. And they also have dream buns. So more options and other types of low carb bagels and breads. All right, so lastly are the bars. They have lots of the Quest. They are very good. I love the grenade bars. They are really good. And other bars. You know, my other favorite is the Be Up bars. Okay, so that is it. I hope this helps you guys with lots of options for low carb grocery store. This one's in Markham, Ontario. There is one in Newmarket. So you can check them out. And let's see if I can film myself. Okay, guys, so that's it. I couldn't turn my phone around, so hopefully you can see me. My finger's not in the way, I hope. And take care. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell option. You'll get all my newest videos by email. All right. And my Facebook group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. Oh my goodness. Wait. I missed something. Hold on, guys. Backing up, we have also the Jello puddings. I can't believe I missed an aisle. And Jello. And of course, your flavored caramel, the syrups, hazelnut. Oh my goodness, cookies. There's still so much more in this store. I do love the kale chips. They are delicious. All right. And other snacky snacks. So other options for snacks that you might like. I've tried these snacks also by K's. So now I've done the entire store. All right, so don't forget my Facebook group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa, my website, www.risaweiner.com, and please like, comment, and share with other people. All right, love you guys. Bye for now, and hopefully you can see me. Mwah. Bye for now. Take care.